Hello students, today in this video we are going to discuss about the exercises of chapter 1, 2 and 3 and we will cover the true false and fill-ups in this video. So let's start. As these all the exercises are given in your book, I am going to discuss the answers of these questions so that you can learn it and do it in your book. These are the questions of chapter 1. So students, first is abacus was the first calculating device. So answer is true. Yes, abacus was the first calculating device. UNIVAC means Universal Automatic Computer was developed in 1951. Yes, this is also true. Laptop can fit in your pocket? No, this is false. Students, laptop cannot fit in your pocket. That's why it is false. CPU chips is CPU chip is fitted on the motherboard. Yes, students, it is true. All the parts of computer are attached to the CPU box and it is connected to the motherboard. Clear? Now fifth number, a CU and CPU does all the calculations and comparison. No, student, this is false. Why? Because CU and ALU does all the calculations and comparison. CU means control unit and ALU means arithmetic and logical unit or logic unit. But here it is given CU and CPU. Whether CU and ALU are the components of CPU. That's why it is false. Next is RAM is a permanent memory. No, students, it is false. RAM is a temporary memory. Storage devices are also known as secondary memory. Yes, students, this is true. Why? Because all the storage devices like hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, floppy disk, these are the examples of storage devices and they are also known as secondary memory. That's why this is true. Next is 1, 2 are known as binary digits. False. Why? Because 1 and 0 are known as binary digits, but here it is written 2. Computer understand only binary languages and it consists of 0 and 1. Next is 1024 MB is equal to 1 kilobyte. No, it is false. Why? Because 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB. Clear, students? Next is fill in the blanks of chapter 1. So first is Napier's bonds was invented in 1617 by, I think you all know, the answer is John Napier. Next is Pascaline was invented by Blaise Pascal in 1642. So answer is Blaise Pascal. Students, options are given in your book. You can see in your book and note it down and fill in the blanks. Next is dash is a temporary memory. RAM, random access memory. What is the full form of RAM? Random access memory is a temporary memory. Next is dash and dash are components of CPU. Students, in true false I explained it just 1 minute before that dash and dash are components of CPU. Can you tell me? Yes, the answer is ALU and CU are the components of CPU. Next is dash memory consists of storage devices. So secondary memory consists of storage devices. Now 0 and 1 are called binary digits. 1024 MB makes 1 GB, which means GB means gigabyte. Now students, we are going to discuss about the true false and fill-ups of chapter 2. So let's see. Number 1. The background of the desktop is also called towel paper. No, it is false. The background of the desktop is also called wallpaper. Screensaver gets displayed while you are working on a computer. No, it is false. Why, students? Because a screensaver is a moving image or pattern which get displayed on a monitor screen when there are no keystrokes or mouse movements for a specified duration. So if you are working on a computer, it will not get displayed. Clear? Now next is you cannot remove a program from your computer. No, this is false. Whatever the program you have installed, you can remove it from your computer. Clear? Or uninstall it from your computer. Next is both date and time can be set in your computer. Yes students, we can set the both date and time in our computer. Next is students, one mouse pointer, it means this is the pointer scheme given, and this shows the normal select pointer. No, because it shows the working in background, that's why it is false. Next is dash shows the working pointer. Students, one more scheme is given, pointer scheme. This shows the working pointer. No, this is also false. Why? Because this shows the busy. You can change double click speed of a mouse. Yes students. Why? Because we can change the speed of a mouse. Students, in upcoming videos, in activity video, I will upload one video for you. In that video I will explain you how to change the mouse pointer and clicking speed. Clear? So it will be clear in that video. Now students, exercise time. Second question, fill in the blanks. Number 1 is the dash is the place from where all the settings of your computer are controlled. So students, that is control panel. Name is control. How to control? From control panel we can control all the settings of our computer. Now in the control panel, click on the dash category to change the desktop background and the screensaver. So for the changing the desktop background and the screensaver, we have to click on appearance and themes. Next is a dash is the display of moving pictures which get activated when the computer is left idle for certain time. It is screensaver. Now in the control panel, click on the dash category to add or remove program. So for adding or removing program, you have to click on add or remove programs option. Now students, one pointer is given. This shows the normal pointer in the default pointer scheme. So clear students, I hope you understood. Now the exercises of chapter 3. True false, for writing T for true and F for false statements. So first is a header is the text which appears at the top of every page of the document. Yes students, header is the text which appears at the top of every page of the document. So it is true. Second one is a footer is the text which appears at the bottom of first page only. No students. It is true that a footer is the text which appears at the bottom, but not in only one page. It is also it is also appears at the bottom of every page of the document. That's why it is false. Now next is a page break will start a new page. Yes students, a page break will start a new page. Students, for page break you can go to the insert tab. From pages group you have to choose the page break option. When you will click on page break option, your page will be break. It means new page will be start. Or second option is you can use the shortcut key control plus enter. When you will press the control plus enter key, your next page will be start. Clear? That's why it is true. Next is to insert a page break, click on the home tab. No, to insert a page break you have to click on insert tab. Clear? That's why it is false. Next is you cannot apply both border and shading to the same paragraph. This is false. We can apply border and shading to the same paragraph. In the portrait page orientation, the vertical size is greater than the horizontal size. Yes students, this is true. There are two types of orientation. First is portrait page orientation and second one is landscape page orientation. In portrait page orientation, the vertical size is greater than the horizontal size, whereas in the landscape page orientation, the horizontal size is greater than the vertical size. Now fill in the blanks. To work with the header, click on the dash tab and then click on the dash button. So to work with header, click on the insert tab and then click on header button. Students, one common thing is there. Whatever you want to insert like shapes, page break, new page, sorry, new page not. So whatever you want to insert in your document, like pictures, shapes, clip art, everything is present in insert tab. Clear? The column button is under the dash tab. The column button is under the page layout tab. To insert a page break, click on the dash button under the insert tab. To insert a page break, click on the page break button under the insert tab. Next is to insert page number in your document, click on the insert tab and click on the dash button. Click on the page number button. For inserting page numbers, you have to click on page number button. The borders button is under the dash tab. The borders button is under the home tab. In the landscape page orientation, dash size is greater than the dash size. So horizontal size is greater than the vertical size, and just opposite is portrait. In portrait page orientation, the vertical size is greater than the horizontal size. So students, I hope you understood all the exercises of lesson 1, 2 and 3.